Hi, I thought I would just very briefly give an update. Yesterday was a big day. It was my first official day of spring break, and I had a court hearing, and then I worked several hours for a company that I still am trying to keep viable, that I own with my husband, although he says I'm not an owner. And then I went and saw Jordan Peterson speak at Pepperdine University. And what a contrast from the hearing in the morning to the speaking event in the late afternoon at Pepperdine. Um, so the main thing I would say, and I'm just not going to mention names as to who was at the hearing, but it is so sad to see someone that is really, really your VIP in life, lying under oath. And it was about a very practical matter, but I was accused in that time still of being on a smear campaign, launching a smear campaign against this person. And then there was another. I think some of these people are so used to partial truths or half truths or white lies that they don't recognize that they're not speaking the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So another thing that was not that, not the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, was telling the judge that this person fired their attorney because of a lack of communication of dates, that they weren't communicating the dates of things or some really crucial information properly, adequately, or something. But the only thing I had heard repeatedly from this person was that this person was firing the attorney because that attorney had been ineffective in getting me to take down my blog and to stop posting videos, to stop my smear campaign. So that's not the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. I know for sure what was told to the judge. But anyway, God is our righteous judge. And so then with Jordan Peterson, I just was, I am repeatedly helped by him related to someone who speaks the truth without getting complicated about what the consequences will be. And he said, once you've seen something, you've seen it. And if that's what you believe and that's what you think, and you're told not to think it and not to believe it, you have nothing that you can't just not. And he talked about the pathologized city of Sodom, and how Abraham asked God eventually if there are just 10 righteous. And he said, when he had read that account years ago, he thought to himself, if 10 righteous people can save a city, then he wanted to be part of that unit that would save a pathologized city, just being righteous amidst unrighteous situations. And I just really appreciated Jordan Peterson's tears. He spoke multiple times while shedding some tears, and it was very precious. So maybe I'll add to the description of this video the YouTube link to that talk, because I can't do it justice. But the truth matters. And anyway, it's heartbreaking, and it's really, really difficult to be paying probably, I mean, just for my attorney alone, paying hundreds and hundreds of dollars, close to $1,000 an hour, to just seek righteousness with someone in my relationship with someone who this never should have been this way. But the church enabled a situation to be unrighteous and to become more and more and more unrighteous. So, thanks for listening. I think I'll stop there. Take care.